Pollyanna Chu, Chu Yuet Wah, Chinese, 1NI, is a billionaire businesswoman from Hong Kong. She is an executive of Kingston Financial Group, Golden Resorts Group, and Sincere Watch. As of 30 January 2018, Chu's estimated worth was US $10.2 billion, making her the 14th richest person in Hong Kong. Early life. In 1958, Chu was born as Yuet Wah Lee in British Hong Kong. Her father was Wyman Lee. She grew up in Aberdeen, Hong Kong. Education. Pollyanna Chu moved to the United States at the age of 18. She holds a bachelor's degree in management from Golden Gate University and awarded an honorary PhD in business management by York University, United States. Personal life. She married her husband, Nicholas, who she met while studying in San Francisco. She has one child named Kingston, who was born in San Francisco but raised in Hong Kong. In November 2015, her son Kingston celebrated his wedding with Kelly Low in Hong Kong. Career. Pollyanna and her husband Nicholas Chu became real estate investors on her father's recommendation and moved to Hong Kong in 1992 to pursue the business. Kingston Financial Group Limited. Following success in California real estate, they founded Kingston Financial in 1992. The company was named after their son. Chu served as managing director but co-ran Kingston Financial with her husband. The company initially focused on IPO distribution and mergers and acquisitions, finding particular success in 2010 as a top 5 firm in the latter pursuit. As of 2016, Chu is the CEO and executive director of Kingston Financial Group Limited. As of 2016, she is the biggest shareholder and CEO of Kingston Financial. According to Bloomberg's league tables, in 2016, Kingston Financial is ranked the first as the leading placing agent and underwriter in Hong Kong with 47 issues. The group is also ranked the third M&A financial advisor in Hong Kong with 22 deals. Securities and Futures Commission. In 1997, she was fined for working as an unregistered dealer. Chu was accused of market manipulation in 2003 by the Securities and Futures Commission. Golden Resorts Group. Chu is the CEO of the Golden Resorts Group Limited. It is engaged in the hotel and gaming business, notably Casa Real Hotel and Grandview Hotel in Macau. Sincere Watch Limited. In 2012, she bought a 100% stake in Sincere Watch Limited, which is currently run by her son, Kingston Chu. In May 2012, Chu became the executive director of Sincere Watch, Hong Kong, Limited and director of Sincere Watch Limited. In July 2012, she became the chairman of Sincere Watch, Hong Kong, Limited. In July 2012, she was named chairwoman of Frank Muller's Asia Pacific Operations. Organization. Chief Executive Officer of Kingston Financial Group, 1031.HK. Chairman of Sincere Watch, Hong Kong, Limited, 444.HK. Awards. Chu was given the Outstanding Chinese Prize in 2008. In 2012, Forbes Asia listed her as one of their Women in the Mix, their number 35 Power Woman of 2017, their number 549 Billionaire of 2016, and their number 16 out of Hong Kong's 50 richest in 2016. References.